Hi, my name is Karandeep Singh, and I'm a product manager with Cohesity. Today, I'm going to talk to you about all our data protection needs and how Cohesity satisfies that. But first, let us start by discussing what the traditional solution offers. Firstly, the traditional solution is very fragmented. You have multiple silos, media servers, master servers, backup software, bolt-on cloud gateways, multiple things to think about and multiple vendors to negotiate with. Managing all of these issues and solutions is also very complex. So that also leads us to the fact that because of these silos, we have local deduplication capabilities, which means you're not really efficiently optimizing your storage. Whereas what you would actually desire is an integrated solution, a single platform that solves all your problems, has a single pane of glass from where you can manage all of your workloads and all the different aspects of the storage solution, be driven by the APIs that can easily integrate with the application layers, and be globally dedupable in the sense that there is global deduplication available, and that reduces the amount of storage that you see actually landing on your site. Secondly, if you look at the traditional again, you see that the traditional systems are slow. The recovery that you perform is often after days, and when you have to actually recover, it takes a long time for the system to be able to recover all the data and put it back into your data center. It could be hours, if not days. And that long RTO leads to a lot of loss of business time, business resources. And there is more planned downtime than just that. When you upgrade or when you scale up your solution, you have to bring your systems down for all those activities. But what you would eventually desire is an instant solution that has near zero RTOs, so there is no loss of data or business opportunity. It is easily searchable, and you can search to recover instead of remembering to recover. It is non-disruptive when it comes to upgrades, so that there is no downtime. And even when you're scaling, you want it to scale one node at a time so that, again, it does not affect your current processes. Looking at the traditional, a third point that we want to discuss is that it is not really built for the cloud era. These are older solutions that were prepared with a different mindset. So when they had to work with cloud, they had bolt-on gateways that they worked with. And adding this bolt-on gateway means more complexity, more systems to manage. What you would rather have is a cloud-native solution that not only interacts with public, but as well as private clouds through the S3 protocol. Finally, the traditional solution is very expensive. You have to over-provision on day one because you can't really just buy a system and then run it for some time and then upgrade, because the upgrade or the scale-up would need a forklift, or that would need professional services that need to be encountered, so that there is more fees that you have to pay out. Moreover, all these solutions have a product fee and a maintenance fee in each of these silos that amounts to a very large TCO. What you actually want is a very low TCO solution in which you can just pay as you grow, and more like in a Google fashion. And you have just one vendor to deal with. You don't have all the management complexity. You don't have all the multiple refresh rates and licenses to deal with. So as you can see, there is a huge gap between the traditional solution and what you desire. But enter Cohesity. So I present to you the Cohesity solution. All the traditional silos that we talked about get converged onto a single platform. The data platform is a software-defined web-scale architecture, and the nodes that we have underneath are all distributed, shared nothing, so there is no single point of failure. The same platform can manage all of your workloads, and it has data protection as a converged backup product sitting on top of it. The data protection is managed through a single pane of glass and a single set of APIs, so that there is very minimal management overhead that you need to worry about. We also offer global deduplication across our appliances. As you can see, it is an integrated solution. So we ensure that any data that lands on Cohesity is dedupe across all the nodes. We also offer near instant RTOs because of our proprietary Snaptree technology. We are able to maintain fully hydrated images of each backup snapshot that we have taken, and you can instantly recover them. All the data that we take up is indexed, and it is fully searchable. And finally, any upgrade you perform to data protection and to the data platform is non-disruptive. When we talk about how we are built for the cloud, we are cloud native in the sense that we can run replication to the cloud. We can also do replication jobs to any other data center. We can archive to the tape, but we can also do tiering and archiving to the cloud. And when we were talking about our nodes, we did not mention that they can work on not only the appliance, but the data platform itself can work on any virtualization environment or even in the cloud. So we are really cloud ready with our solution. And finally, we offer additional workloads that you can pull off of data protection, that is file and objects, test and dev, and analytics. And we expose 3 protocols for you to work with our file and object store. So that is NFS, SMB, and S3. What this does is that now not only can you really work with any application layer, the data platform allows you to even integrate with your existing backup softwares if required, and you can integrate with Amazon AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud through the cloud native features that we have. Overall, the system is such that you can just buy whatever you need on day one and pay as you grow. So there are no disruptive upgrades, there's no forklift required, there's no data migration required, and we really reduce the total overheads that you see on your costing. To summarize, Cohesity is a web scale-out architecture that is cloud native and really reduces your TCO to more than 50%. Thank you.